You just do a normal thing, huh?
Yep. That's just gonna try and read him. No, that's fine.
Just for Mike.
You guys can walk over there if you want to.
Just feel.
This little brown dog is Greta. She's a dog that is in our kennel.
She's black.
Belongs to one of our clients.
She's black.
I'm sorry, she looked brown. Chester's never met her before.
Come on, get out from under.
Chester's dealing with this very well.
Chester, come here.
Yeah, we're going underneath the horse.
Chester, yes, that's yummy over there.
Oh, careful. I don't want you to fall.
Put him in the water.
She's biting him. He's scaring her. He's just overwhelming her. That's what's happening. Sit. Good boy, Spotchy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Yes, you are. Hi. You're wonderful too.
Aside from not having any manners yet.
Okay.
Was that Spotchy?
Yeah, it's okay. That was Greta getting on top of him.
Right. It's not abnormal behavior. He says, no, she's rude. I see. Say hi again, huh? Hi, sir. Hi, Greta.
Looks very much like Greta. A little less lanky, or a little shorter.
You finally get a sniff in there, can't you? Oh, he's so rude. Oh, and she's just nipped at him several times, and he's done nothing about it whatsoever. You know, he's done nothing.
That's what happened. Well, anyway, I won't say anything.
He's being, in my opinion, totally appropriate. They both are. Yeah, I don't see anything that disturbs me in any way.
Are you disturbing?
They
Disturbing.
He's a
definitely
Labrador.
will run off to greet somebody if they're not on leash.
Sure.
But when they're on leash, there's a whole different control issue. But if we, like I went over to somebody's house where somebody's staying to recover from overnight surgery. And he's in the hospital bed. And I went over there just to let there's a lot of land, just to let them run around and deliver some food. And I a PT person showed up, physical therapist, and they were just roaming around the yard and ran up to the car because they weren't on leash. But, you know, nothing. I just got them together and put them in the truck.
That's what our dogs would do if we were releasing somebody. They rush over and say hello to them.
Here, I'll go get another dog to bring out and add to
That's
this
a great
mix.
idea.
What happens is he rushes over to say he has on the incidences that have been reported. He have rushed over to say hello, and then he's been attacked. But the people who have filed the claim say that he attacked their dog and drew blood, and that Chester lunged, and you know, it's like preposterous.
Well, you know, if he drew blood, he was probably defending himself. And I guess I have never known people who aren't professionally trained to be very good judges of whose dog starts what first. And the bottom line is that if he got jumped, he's defending himself. So we're going to get another dog out here. If I had any idea how to operate this camera, she walked off and left me with the camera.
It's a beautiful property.
Thank you, we love it.
How long have you been out here?
15 years now. Yeah, we're very fortunate. We've got, we're surrounded. We have almost 300 acres that buffets this property that we use for training, and it'll never be sold to anyone for a housing development or anything because it's cattle property. So our 15 feels like 100. It's really fantastic. Florin, do you know anything about this camera? Has she had you operate it? Or are you more technically inclined? I'll trade with you.
Oh, yeah? Is that what you want?
Well, there's got to be a zoom on it somewhere, but I don't know where it is.